Yo, yeah, my flow, don't know where to go. My flow, it never ends, kinda like Monkey, she's a hoe. Dope boy, yes, off the chain he aim. Oh, yeah, yo, I'm rapping like an insane, brainium off the cranium, I'm fucking like an insane. You know I'm maintaining him, they can't tame me, obtain me with a cage. I'll break it up through it with my creatine rage. Kinda like Landry with his ecstasy popping pills. He ain't got the skill, we ain't ill, we can't thrill. Robbing in my Chevy, ride high, never die. I stay fly every day, I ain't even gotta start trying it. I keep the Newports on the side of me, I never gonna be riding me. They can't even hide from me. I smoke every day and try to get high as I can. Never gonna be the real MC, cause I'm spinning game like I'm an empty man. I'm gangster, so I'm an OG, I throw it. I'm a dope boy, you know it. I flow like I can never hold it. I'm sorry that I'm arrived to and save you. Sorry that my brain's off the chain, you can't handle me. Yo, dope boy on the microphone, he can't stop because he's on it like a fucking carpet. Sorry man, dope boy is out. I'ma scout that pussy like a motherfucking day. Yo, I'm sorry, I can't.